Oh shit. Damn, son. Oh shit. I was like, damn, son. I go. God damn.
You thought it was dead?
That's what I fucking thought.
It got sick with bleh. A bunch.
Oh no. We are not going for that bitch. Tiger tail. Oh, she's coming my way. Oh, fuck you. You're not touching me, bitch.
It's just a propeller.
Well, I thought it was coming at me at first.
You like, ah!
They're like, damn, son, come at my fucking ass. Diane laughed at that one too, I heard. What a little big boy over there laughed. Get that big boy out.
Turtle?
Fuck yeah.
Turtle!
Matthew, she wants you.
It's a turtle!
Tortoise. What do they call them?
Whatever. Same damn thing.
There's one of them ones that got wheels on it, barely going to grass. It is. That was the worst. That was fucking creepy.
That it? Well, that was a sucky.
Going off. That went out.
What's that? Another one.
That one's a little better.
Boom!
That was like, bam, and it was going up in there. I was like, what the fuck? We're gonna record from my phone, guys. See you guys later.
There's like 5 in this bag.
Hold on, guys.
Cuckoo!
Cuckoo! I'm going cuckoo! Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Hot over there. This grass is green. It's not going to catch on fire. So stop.
You can still catch on goddamn fire.
We don't have any more things goes up in the air, dumbass.
No, I know everybody thinks to me. I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
No, you're not. You
No.
got it on camera, too.
Yeah, I got it on camera.
Don't go.
Hey, what's one of these? Actually, we did have some going in the air. Cuckoo fountains. Yeah, they do. Oh, they're showers. What the fuck?
It fell over.
I got that on camera. It fell over like a bitch. It did something else. Where's that at?
Still smoking. It's not done.
It stinks. Smell that. Smell that.
If that's all it was, that was a waste of money.
That was what's my here. Do this one next.
Cuckoo?
Fuck yeah, cuckoos. Fucking cuckoos are badass. I already know. I've seen one on the internet. Like fuck quick.
I can't, my back hurts.
God dang. God damn, dude.
Cuckoo.
What's next?
We gotta hurry.
Another cuckoo.
Cuckoo?
Do this one first, then do that big one second. That we just did.
Cuckoo?
Or you can go that first if you want to. It's yours, not my side. Hell yeah, I am. Getting all on camera, got it on the other camera. That one fell over, I got that on this camera. That one. Bring me the fuck away, you gonna do that shit. That one didn't fall over that time. The other one did though.
Fuck me!
But bitch.
Get back, still smoking. Go back.
Bah, fuck you. Woohoo! Now. That one was longer than the other one.
Alright, next.
These zippers.
Wait.
Or oh, more bigger ones.
We got the hummingbird.
The hummingbird. Oh, I bet that one's better.
Huh? These do, go further. So bring all these others with you. That's all we got left. Then we're done.
I'm coming. Which one is that one? The hummingbird? Kinda. It's a hummingbird.
No, not exactly.
Firefly bird.
But it's the best one.
Yeah, I'm back the fuck up. Hey.
Be sure to look up. Record.
Uh-oh. That sucked.
Record. Just in case it ain't done.
Here.
Next one.
Got sparkling rain.
It better be
Or is it? Is it what it say on it?
mini.
Oh, mini fountain. Let's go.
It's probably gonna crack.
Probably gonna be better than the other one. Back up. Woo! And that sucks worse then.
Well, we didn't have enough money to get any high dollar ones. I've had this one for 3 years. Let me light it.
Are you gonna like that one for 3 years?
It's a 3-year-old zombie hooker nightmare.
Is that what it's called?
No,
What's it called?
it's called Jumbo Flashing Ground.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hopefully it still works. You're about to find out. After 3 years, will this still light? Fuck yeah, it does. Flashy, flashy.
The fuck?
Flashy, flashy, boom, boom.
Oh, shit!
Dude, it's like freaking out. Yeah, fuck with it. Yeah,
It caught itself on fire, too.
You got all this, right?
Yeah, I did.
These are also from 3 years ago. I saved some from when we came back from Hominy.
Here we go, niggas. TNT, motherfuckers.
These are the same as that, just smaller.
He's not gonna bet the light in the way. You're just fucking away, bitch. Damn!
The bigger one was way better.
Yeah, it was.
Almost.
Here.
That's it.
There's more in my other hand. Them zip blades.
Hold on, Diane.
We got more. What did those do?
Same thing.
Seriously?
You crying or something? Seriously?
Does that light on its own?
Huh?
Does that one just light in your hand on its own?
No?
Throw it.
Get ready. That was fucked up.
The fire was better on that one, though.
What the fuck? He went cray-cray, didn't he, bro?
Like, I'm gonna beat your ass. It was like the fucking Ichigo or some shit going around in circles.
Goku going around circles. When Naruto punched him in the face. The fuck was that?
That one went crazier.
That one was a little cray-cray.
Throw it!
Shut up.
Dumbass.
You gotta wait till the fuse gets shorter.
Now that one was better.